How to enable photos and tagged in notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable photos and tagged in notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Here in the bottom corner, click on it, and then you will see these three lines in the top corner. Now click settings and the notifications. Now select this one, post stories and comments, and scroll down until you find this one, from people I follow. Just now select it, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.